Jarrow formulas, methyl B12, lemon flavor, 1000 mcg, 100 lozenges. Product overview description. The superior form of B12 methylcobalamin supports brain cells and nerve tissue. Dietary supplement suitable for vegetarians, vegans. Vegan methylcobalamin, methyl B12, is better absorbed and retained than other forms of B12, for example, cyanocobalamin. Methyl B12 supports nerve tissue and brain cells, promotes better sleep and reduces toxic homocysteine to the essential amino acid methionine. Also, vegetarians, vegans typically require B12 supplementation. Suggested use. Usage: dissolve in mouth or chew one lozenge per day or as directed by your qualified healthcare professional. Other ingredients: xylitol, cellulose, stearic acid, vegetable source, natural flavor, magnesium stearate, vegetable source, citric acid and silicon dioxide. No wheat, no gluten, no soybeans, no dairy, no egg, no fish, shellfish, no peanuts, tree nuts. Warnings. Note: color of product naturally varies in different shades of pink. Note: if you have a medical condition, are pregnant, lactating, trying to conceive, under the age of 18, or taking medications, consult your healthcare professional before using this product. Keep out of the reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.